Hi everyone. So today is going to be a birthday read for those born on the 30th of July. So a very happy birthday darlings, and let's find out how does this year look like for you. So angels and spirit guides, please can I have one card as to how does the health, the career and the relationship front look like. Okay, already the cards have started flipping, but as I said, I wasn't ready, so I reshuffle. This time, universe and angels and spirit guides, I request you to help me getting one card as to how does the health front look like. So now, okay, now there's this one card also. I will take this one and this one too. Oh, quite interesting. A very good combination, I would say, but something for a good, I will definitely say. Nothing to worry. Okay, now let's find out how does the career front look like. So, okay, too many emotions or too many mixed messages. Okay, so can I just have one card as to how does the career front look like? So angels and spirit guides. Okay, let's have this one card because it had turned. And now let's find out how does the relationship front look like. So angels and spirit guides, please can I have one card as to okay, well, it's an interesting one. Okay, now this is something that generally people might be wondering. I never take reversals because I don't know, I always prefer having the upfront is what we call. Okay, now let's begin with let's find out what the angels have in store for you. So can we just have one angelic guidance as to how does this year should be, or what guidance can you give us? Okay, let's have this one card because it was slipping. How better can it get than this? I love your read. I'm so sorry. Pretty excited. Okay, I'll just reframe it again. Perfect. Okay, now let's find out what the cards have to say on the health front. It says Thunderbolt and Transformation. So both are extremes. Okay, again, it comes on emotional front. So if you see water considers emotion, if you see there's a lot of anger that is bursting and poor people are following, so you will come into awareness this time in this coming year. It sorry, if at any given point darlings you face any shaky moments or confused or stagnant anything as such, don't worry, it's a transformation period, so just go with it, except because the universe is actually giving you some good abundance. See if you can see the angels are also helping you, so it'll be an emotional turmoil especially that you could go through, but it's a wonderful period, something good at the end of the day or at that end of that process, you will have something good coming your way. So in case if you're going through this shaky moment also, just go with it. Okay, but as I advise, have a tab on what you eat. Your mental front needs a lot of calming things you should, so I would advise if you could get some meditation done or spend time with nature, because nature is the best healer, and avoid any spicy food as such, or any food that can just spice up or aggravate any heaty things in your body. Okay, so have a lot of cooling stuff, have a lot of water. Again, emotions, that plays a major role. And if you are into spirituality, or if you are connected into spiritualism, then meditation will help you a lot. Okay, now what do the career front says? Beyond illusion, how better can it get than this? Again, the universe is blessing you, so yes, you will evolve, something beautiful will happen, you will have a wonderful career, you don't have to worry. If you guys aren't having you guys are looking out for any job, or venturing into some project, or starting something, or anything related to career, you will have success. Okay, so just go with the flow, but yes, hard work definitely pays, and as I always say, be practical at the same time. Just because the universe is blessing doesn't mean that you shouldn't be giving your 100%. Give your 200%, because yes, universe is giving you whatever you desire in this month, in this year. I'm so sorry. And what do the relationship says? It says past life. So understand, darling, anything that happens in this upcoming year, okay, I had to pause because of the aircraft that passed. I'm so sorry for the disturbance. Getting back with your read. Anything that happens in this, it's going to be a karmic life cycle that you could be dealing with. Okay, past life is always considered, at least I consider it's a good card, because in this lifetime you could deal with something that is interesting. Okay, so maybe in one of the lifetimes, if you've been bad to someone in this lifetime, you could give it, you could have to go through that pain, emotional pain kind of a thing. If you've been good to someone in one of the lifetimes, you will reap the benefits in this lifetime. So you don't have to worry. Whatever is happening, it's happening under a karmic cycle, which always needs to be considered as good, and accept it. I always say, accept whatever comes your way, and let go. The minute you accept and let go, the balance gets nullified, and then maybe you might not be that person again in the next lifetime, in case if you're having a bad phase. Okay, this is what I would say. But there's nothing to worry. And how better can it get than this? The entire year for you guys would be on relationship. So expect some good relations coming your way. You could meet your twin flame, not a soulmate, a twin flame. Now if you ask me what's the difference, it's actually the same. No, darlings, it is a different thing. Both are different. I would ask you if you could please visit my YouTube channel on twin flames and soulmates. You will understand, okay, for clarity. I wouldn't take much of your time over here. Now the focus would be on relationships. So you have a relationship with yourself, don't forget. So something you will have to nurture. Apart from that, something good. So maybe, as I said, a twin flame. Okay, you will definitely meet her. One level up, a commitment. You can expect a new addition in the family, strengthening of bonds. So anything that has to be your entire focus will entirely will be on relationship front. So you have to be very careful. It's a very sensitive thing, but yes, it's the most beautiful thing. Okay, so if you ask me how your year is, it's going to be a wonderful year, darlings. Don't have to worry. This thing, it's a passing phase. Once you accomplish this, everything falls into places. So yeah, that's all I have. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Please like and follow. Stay happy, stay blessed, and a very happy birthday.